of its kind, great platform which wasn't available anytime, which I have heard of from the industry or any other people I know, that all the brands coming in together. There have been forums in the past, a lot of brand conventions, a lot of similar events happening around, but a whole sole objective of brands coming in together to shake hands and to benefit, and also to the fact where we see the marketing growing today, in terms of people doing smart marketing, in terms of tying up hands, competitors working together for acquiring customers at a lesser cost and putting in brands in the right minds and right frames and doing the best. And I think it is an interesting platform, and all kudos to you and your team who have got this and invited all of us here. And I hope this continues and we participate every time. See, one of course, as I mentioned, as we have been talking throughout the day in the panel discussion also, is of course to have those quick, insights into the consumer and getting onto, shaking hands to leverage each other's customers for first case, and then looking after the overall brand perspective in terms of you spending across crores of rupees in terms of the conventional marketing areas, or you look at tying up hands and going off your egos, which we have been discussing, and leveraging each other. I think that's the crux of it. What is the essence of the whole idea of partnering in these times today? So that's what it is. Yeah. The unique and the most interesting platform with the one, the other is the clear-cut objective of coming in here. So, like I said, there have been a lot of conventions and events in the past which are very open, just one topic and people meeting together, exchanging cards, but a whole single objective of people coming in here, shaking hands for a single purpose. That's what the best part is, yeah. I hope this becomes a better, a grander, a larger property next year, and more brands come in, more people realize of the fact that yes, it's better to do it this way or the other way. And I hope you all the best on that.